Hey, so welcome back. So a lot's happened since the last video where we were screening topsoil and spreading it out and that. Jen and I went away for a few days, so I wasn't able to film, obviously, but Joe and his guys got the grass seed done, and see, they blew straw all over the lawn with Joe's got what's called a bale chopper that you stuff straw bales into it and it blows it out a hose. So it's got a little bit left to do down here. He ran out of material, but I got him some more. So, but today the news is we're putting millings in the driveway. I don't know if you can hear the skid steer. I'm gonna set you guys up and let's watch Joe go. Pick green. That Widowmaker fell on this tree, cracked the tree. So now we're trying to push the tree down, take the Widowmaker with it, and not have the Widowmaker drop on our heads or excavator. So he's digging the soil up around the tree, trying to pull the roots out. weaken it enough so we can push it over. There it is. Oh! Oh, it's still hung up in the tree. You gotta. Of course, it's hung up in the tree. See if you can reach it. Oh. I am not going up in that tree, I'll tell you right now. Now I gotta cut it up. This is the bad part. But better to do it now than when I'm 75, 80 years old, you know what I'm saying? Well, before we finished the millings on the entire driveway, I decided to ask Joe if he would drill me these holes for sonnet tubes for a couple of overhangs we're going to build off the barn. We're going to have one on either side, 12 feet wide, so I thought before we made the driveway all nice, we'd get this, at least get the holes in the ground, get the sonnet tubes in the ground, and then I can pour the concrete. And then I don't have to dig up the nice millings after they're rolled in and made to look pretty. So I should be all ready to go next summer to build these overhangs.
So am I doing all this right here?
Yeah, so we're doing all this. No, this
Looks to be seated already.
yeah, if this is already seated,
I
it's
had
down in
this,
there.
But
Just down in here, where Joe's cleaning up right now. So the last thing to get done was finish up seating down here where we cleaned up down by the sawmill, and then we got the bale chopper out and spread straw on the rest of the lawn. And then Joe is done. He moved his equipment out, and he's all done at White Pine Woods. So I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank Joe and his guys for the great job they did on our lot. I know if you look back at our videos from last summer, he did a lot of work on this property. There was a lot of rocks. There was a lot of dirt to move. And Joe and Dan and all the guys did a great job on our property. So thanks, guys, for an awesome job. And maybe we'll have some more fun in the future. Four low. Joe over there on the skid steer still. All done. Lawn's all in. Hey, so thanks for watching the video. We're getting close now. We're getting real excited. We were just talking about what's left. Plumber was here all day. We've got to get the hot water heater hooked up. We're doing a finish electrical next week. And then once the plumber comes back and hooks up, gets us some hot water. I don't know why we couldn't move in. So I'm going to continue working on the trim and that. Putting the kitchen together, you know, and just keep chugging along. So anyway, thanks again for watching. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to continue to follow along on our home build, consider hitting the subscribe button. We'll see you next time from White Pine Woods. So long. What is it you always say? Subscribe?